Waking up every morning and you find your weekly sales report in your inbox already. So no need to open a spreadsheet, no need to calculate revenue, no need to find your ROS, and no need to summarize. All these things will be automatically handled by the AI. So today I show you how we can get all the data from all the order data from the Google Sheet, and then calculate KPIs through CodeNote, and use AI to uh, generate a weekly sales report, and then send formatted emails to your inbox. So if I show you a step by step, in the first node we have a scheduled trigger node. This node is basically triggered on every Monday at 9 a.m. So we are defining trigger interval, and so it will run every week on every Monday at 9 a.m. Trigger at all. So at the next node, we are fetching all the data from the Google Sheet, but it could be a Shopify, it could be a Google Ads API, any nodes you are, any platform you are working on. In the Google Sheet, I have an online shoe store, and this is the weekly sales data. So on the first date, we have total orders, their revenue, and the ad spend. So instead of calculating manually all the total revenue, ad spend, orders, and generating ROS, we are using is code node. So in the code node, we are defining a code that will make sure that we will get all of this automatically. So first, let's run it. Okay, now we have data. Now we need to calculate their KPIs. To calculate their KPIs, first we need to use code node to get all the data, and then we are writing input.all. That means it will get all the input data, and then we are defining some variables, and then we are using loops so that it will go through each row, and then will calculate the total revenue, total orders, and total spend. And the ROS, which stand for return on ad spend, is totally divide revenue to spend. And then we are now have total revenue, orders, ad spend, and the ROS. So now we have all the data. Now we need an AI to so that they can generate report, give also recommendation. So for this, we are first providing all the KPIs, and then in the system message, we are defining that you are senior e-commerce business analyst. Analyze the provide KPI data and generate summary, key insights, and the recommendation. And we are also giving a guidelines. So this is a guideline so that it can make the report good. And we are also defining output format, which would be like summary, key insights, and then recommendation. So if I run this workflow, okay, so if I show you, so we have summary, and we also have key insights, and then recommendation, which would be here. Okay, it's not visible. So in the second node, we need to separate all the output, summary, insight, and recommendation, so that we can use it in email as a template. So we are using AI transform node, and this node help us to transform the output through code. So we are saying instruction like get summary, insight, and recommendation in a separate field, so it will generate all the code. So if I run it, okay, you can see we have summary, we have insights, and we have recommendations. So now we all have this. Now the next part is we need to send this email to my inbox. So for this, we are using my email, and then subject, and in the HTML we are using graphics emails so that we can get formatted email. And now we are giving a date. We are also defining revenue. So if I send it and I show you how it's look like. Okay, so you can see we have weekly performance report with all the KPIs at the top, and the summary in the middle, and the key insight, and some sort of recommendation. So if I show you summary, the KPI snapshot reveals positive momentum. Revenue reached $20,000 while order grew up to 385, reflecting. So this is, and this is recommendation. leverage high ROS by continuing the optimal creating a targeting for even higher performance. And this is like something recommendation that we can apply. So this is a workflow. It basically help us to calculate all the report, generate all the report automatically instead of manually doing it. That will save 30 to 45 minutes every Monday. I hope you like it.